Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to section 7.8. This deals with, it's entitled real estate, but what we want to think about it is if you're owning like rental properties and trying to um, lease those out and so forth. Um, so what you've got here is the annual net income is your annual rental income that you get minus any expenses that you have to pay. So you bought a house on a lot, and it was in a resort area for $288,000. You paid $72,000 in cash and got the mortgage for the rest. You rented the house for $38,000 a month, and for the first year, your expenses were uh, mortgage interest. You had $19,200, a 3% depreciation cost on the house that it was valued at $198,000. Taxes, repairs, and other expenses cost $15,750. So the question would be, what was your net income for the year? So what you're going to do is you have to figure out how much you actually made off of the house. So that's, you had $3,800 or $3,800. You multiply that by 12, and that's going to get you an answer of $45,600. Okay, so that's how much you made off of the house. So now we have to figure out how much you spent and expenses. So you had the mortgage interest of $19,200. The 3% depreciation, so that's 0.3 times 198,000. That gives you an answer of 5,940. And then the other expenses were 15,750. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to add these three values that I have circled. So 19,200 plus 5,940 plus 15,750, and that's equal to 40,890. Okay, so that equals 40,890. And so then from here we're going to take 45,600, the amount that we made, minus how much we spent, and we get an answer of $4,710. And so this is our net income. So we find how much we made to start off, find out our expenses, subtract the amount we make minus our expenses, and get our total income, or our net income. Okay. The next here is the rate of return on real estate. And so what that means is how much money you're going to get based off of the amount of money that you invested in the property. So we have two things here. Rate of return is equal to the annual net income divided by the cash investment. And then you have a capital investment, and that's the amount of cash that you originally invested plus any more invested for improvements. So our example here is you had a condo that you were renting out that your net income was $3,900, and then so your net income here is $3,900, and then you're going to take that and you're going to divide it by your original investment that you made was $30,000, plus you had $2,700 additional that you added into it to bring in a deck. So that's $32,700. So you're going to take $3,900 and divide it by 32,700, and you're going to get an answer of 0.119, which we know as a percentage is 11.9%. Okay, so that is our rate of return. Okay, and then the final thing is if you do, you know, buy a house or a condo or something and you end up renting it out, you have to figure out how much you should actually charge for rent. You just don't want to come up with a random number, because then either A, someone won't rent it from you, or B, you won't make any money off of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your net income and add any expenses that you have to cover as well. That'll get you your rental income. You're going to divide that value. Example here, you bought a vacant warehouse with $24,000 as a down payment. You estimate your expenses will be $8,640 for your first year. You want an income of 8% on your investment. What monthly rent must you charge? So how we're going to figure this out is we first need to figure out how much you want to earn off of your down payment. So we're going to take $24,000. We're going to times that by our percentage, so 0.8, and then 0.08, and that's going to give us an answer of $1,920. From here, you're going to then take that 1,920 and add in our expenses. So that's going to be $8,640, and that'll give us an answer of $10,560. So here, that is our income for or our expenses for the entire year. So we're going to divide that by 12, and that's going to give us an answer of $880. So that is our rent we must charge to get 8% back on our investment. Okay, so that is section 7.8. If you have any other questions, make sure you let me know, and have a good day.